Hello, welcome to NarrowTech. Today I am going to show you how you can navigate through a MapHub. A MapHub is a platform. It's not that matured. It's a platform that's designed for GIS enthusiasts to download data or download data set that people have created, and you can also upload your own maps, your own visualization. You can upload them to MapHub. Sometimes you do a map and you want the world to see, you want people to see, but the map only sits on your desktop, okay, which is locally. And when you are using Arc Pro, you need to subscribe, you need to pay before you can use the dashboard or the ArcGIS online before you people will be able to see your work. And most people don't get access to that because you don't have the financial you don't have the money to subscribe for Arc Pro. So the simplest way for us to make our map visible to the world, there is this called maphub.co. Okay, MapHub, you can create your map from QGIS, from ArcGIS, then you upload it to MapHub. Then everyone with your link or your URL will be able to see your work that you have done. It helps to sell out your maps, sell out your project. So without wasting much time, let's see how we can register for MapHub. So just type maphub.co. Okay, I'll put the link on the description of this video. Okay, let's see how we can register for MapHub. Here is the interface. So if a new person who just wanted to explore, sign up here. You click on the sign up, and you can sign up with your Google. Most of us are already linked to Google, so you can sign up with your Google, or you can create a new details and create the account. Right? Once I have already signed up to this, so I will not need to create any account again. I will just go to, but if you want to create an account, you just have to click, you input your username, maybe whatever, narrow. I have already, then you put your email, then you get your password. I will not go through these details. I think it's very simple for you to create an account. So what I have the account, so I'll just sign in with Google. Okay, I'll sign in with Google. All right, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so this is the interface of MapHub, and you can see you have dashboard, hub, results. These are the result documentation, and this is a blog. Okay, and then this is the hub where most people upload their data. Okay, so you can see number of data, number of maps that people have constructed on either QGIS or ArcGIS, and that's imaging Python, R, and they have uploaded them here. Okay, so you can download the data. You can easily click on this elevation, and I will click on it, and you try to, okay, so this is the geotiff of this elevation. If you want it, if you need it to do something, you can easily come to the geotiff, okay, and you click here to download the data, and you can go back, and see global. You can search, right? You can search by maybe by your region, by your location. This is population, so you can see that global you have 45 uploads. Okay, world 20, GIS. So they are stratified. Most of them are stratified into sections. All right, so you just need to look for what you want and download. Okay, so you go through them, a lot of them. 2024 yearly precipitation, okay, you just go through it. And digital soil map, UNESCO World Heritage Site, is work that has been created by people. Okay, but for you to just redo it, you just can go through and download from here. Okay, you can zoom, you can see the legend, Okay, the legend here is you can see the low values somewhere around this area, and the high is the yellow. uh you can just zoom. This is much better to the most of the ArcGIS, because we are not having the license to be a creator, or we only have to view. But here you can easily upload your map and download maps from people, and everyone will be able to see. You can go back and see that there you see the number of people who have downloaded a particular work. You see this people who have viewed is 432 people have viewed. You can click on it and you see the number of people who have downloaded. So this is a way you can also showcase your work by uploading your work that you have done from QGIS or ArcGIS here. Guys, please help me by subscribing, by liking, and by commenting to this video. I humbly request for your support, so that I'll be motivated to bring to you most of the tutorials I have. Thank you. Support me. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like.